So now we're going to activate prior knowledge by looking at some benchmark percentages. The first one says, to find 50%, I can divide by 2. To find 25%, I divide by 4. To find 10%, I divide by 10. And to find 1%, I divide by 100. Find the following percentages of 64. I know that 100% of any number is that number. So right here, my response is going to be 64. To find 50%, I need to divide 64 by 2. When I divide 64 by 2, I'm going to get 32. To find 25% of any number, I get to divide by 4. So I know that 64 divided by 4 is going to give me 16. To divide by 10%, I'm going to move the decimal point one place to the left. So that's going to give me 6.4. And to find 1%, I'm going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So I'm going to get 0.64 or 0 and 64 hundredths.